Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Weekend. Did you have your coffee yet? Did you have your morning coffee yet? Joy with me. Have a cup of coffee in my garden. So I just have a coffee in my garden. See, that's my backyard garden. I have a little pond right here. Spot. I check. My garden looks like jungle. It looks not like fancy built. I love nature. So I mimic whatever it could, like nature look. So enjoy my coffee in the morning, you guys. If you have a wonderful, you have a coffee there with you. Walk around, see what we have right there. Spot. Not much going on. Sip coffee, hot coffee, favorite coffee. And check out the garden. Peaceful garden. Relax and see what we have. Not much going on. It's so quiet. Hot coffee will make your day. Make your day right there in the little nature world. You can hear where you can hear the water drop, the waterfall, the chicken sound, the bird, everything you want to hear from the nature. So get tree, land, everything you need. I love it. I love it. My favorite one is nature. I don't want to be in a fancy hotel or anything. Just somewhere I can enjoy around with land, tree, water, fish. So let me show you what we have. I have to clean them up a little bit on my coffee table. I have a little mess there. It's crazy. Yesterday I pruned my plant to make a bonsai, but I have to have a cup there, coffee maker up there. I have to clean them up yet, so clean it up and ready for a new day. So here we go. Let me show you a little of my tiny pond. I have a little fish in there, little fish in the water plant. So that bamboo water feature system. They have the water. See how quiet they are. Very, very quiet water drop sound right there at my little koi. And not the koi pond, but the little pond. So this around my house is nature. They don't have any fancy stuff. This is my garden guard. He's standing right there watching it. Everything comes to destroy my garden. He'll take care of it. Here's my plants. So this one right here, I have a few of them. So I'm going to water them because yesterday is very hot. So right there, see that my backyard just like rock, land, trees. But the bougainvillea, look at that, they're going to have a lot of flower right here. That you and it's beautiful. They have two different color, white and this one red. This I light red. And back here, a little rock right there. Then lavender. I love lavender. In the morning, we walk around the the scent from the lavender flower. It's beautiful and fresh and sweet. So I have the middle of my backyard. I planted a tree. It has a lot of flowers. So beautiful right there. So that is my favorite spot view. Thank you very much for checking into my channel. I hope you have a wonderful morning. If you haven't have a coffee, just make one for yourself and enjoy it. Life too short. Don't be crazy. Just be with nature. Right there, my spot. Thank you, you guys. Bye bye.